Hi, welcome back. Today we will demonstrate how to use DTX1 to print images on black and white t-shirt. So first things, we're gonna do pre-treat the dark t-shirt. This machine is a PTM pre-treatment machine for DTG. So we use the pre-treat liquid special for dark color cotton garment. Put the t-shirt on the platform and make sure it's flat and smooth. Adjust the pre-treat area here. Press start button. The machine will automatically spray. Scrap the coating liquid evenly with a scraper. Okay, now we set it aside and pre-treat the white t-shirt. For the white t-shirt, we need to mix treatment liquid and water in a ratio of 1:19. Now we mix it and change the bottle. We pre-treat with a PTM again. Next, we're going to dry the t-shirt with a heat press. Cover the heat press, and the time depends on the accuracy of the temperature of your heat press. Now we got the t-shirt ready to print. So next, we put the shirt onto DTG printer's platen. Securing the t-shirt with a double-sided tape. The second step we're going to do ripping image. The rip software we use is Dev Studio DTG Rip PowerPlotter 7. Open an image from file. You can also import your file with PNG, JPG, BMP, PDF, EPS, TIFF, or PS. Here, you can choose the preview mode, full color, proof color, or only white. And here, you can calculate the cost and the ink consumption. Change the printer you want to use. Choose the right setting for paper, linearization solution, and profile. Choose the right paper size and set image size, scale, rotate, cut, mirror, listing, and more here. You can also drag it directly. This option for color management. Rendering mode for printing photos or proofing. Preview mode, having a preview before printing. RGB and CMYK space. Input profile if not included. Gray space. Out profile to simulate another printer if desired. Intent. Rendering intent of colors out the profile. Black point comp. Depend on your rendering intent, it will change automatically. After setting the image, just click Print, and you will get a PRN file here. Open the Print Control software and select the file. click Start. Now we got the printed t-shirt. And the last step, we fix the color with heat press. We heat press for 60 seconds to help the ink develop the skin on the top. So this is our finished product. And again, we're going to print on the white t-shirt. Open an image and set paper. Just click print to ripping your image. And then we're going to print it out. Again, we heat press with 16 seconds. The shirt is gonna feel nicer when you wear it, and it's gonna breathe better. Any other questions, just comment below or contact with Sublistar, so we could learn together and share our experiences. Thanks for watching.